As California's chief law enforcement officer and legal advocate, I will be ready to advance and defend the rights, big and small, of all Californians. I see a difference between the Second Amendment and the First Amendment intrusions that you've mentioned. Under the Second Amendment, I think we have the right to make reasonable regulation.
All right, everybody. Well, I just got back from the Assembly confirmation hearing for proposed Attorney General Xavier Becerra. Now, it turned out to be a love fest, just as we suspected it would, but we wanted to make sure that FPC was in the House to express our concerns about this particular individual being our next Attorney General.
Mr. Chairman, members of the committee, my name is Craig DeLuz. I'm with the Firearms Policy Coalition, and I am here in opposition to the nomination. Fundamental to civil rights is the understanding that civil rights are fundamental. They're fundamental rights to all individuals and to all citizens. And it seems to be a tradition in California and amongst our most recent attorney generals to support certain rights for certain groups of people. It's important that at this time when Californians are under serious attack simply for expressing and wanting to express and exercise their fundamental right to keep and bear arms. They're under attack by local municipalities as well as by the state legislature. It's important that we have an attorney general who can put partisan politics aside and who will seek to once again support as well as enforce all civil rights for all Californians. And unfortunately, based on the record as we see it at the Firearms Policy Coalition, we simply do not believe that this particular nominee is capable of doing that, and therefore we oppose his nomination. Thank you.
Now, needless to say, Xavier Becerra will most likely be our next Attorney General. But we wanted to make sure that he knew that FPC was watching and that we were going to fight to make sure that he did his job, defending all civil rights for all Californians. We hope you'll join us in this effort. Just go to joinfpc.org and become a member of the organization. Please help us support the fight for civil rights. You got to use them or you're going to lose them.
If you like our videos, follow, subscribe, like, and share.